The wood grain SPC floor S9003 is a high-quality, artificial wood flooring solution that is perfect for adding a touch of elegance and sophistication to any room. The unique and realistic wood grain design is expertly crafted to give the feel of genuine wood, without the maintenance and upkeep required by traditional hardwoods. Made from a combination of natural limestone powder, polyvinyl chloride, and stabilizer materials, this SPC floor is extremely durable and can withstand heavy traffic areas, making it suitable for use in both residential and commercial settings. Its waterproof and scratch-resistant properties ensure that it remains looking new for years to come. Installation is easy and hassle-free, with the innovative locking system allowing you to quickly and easily lay the planks together. This wood grain SPC floor is an excellent choice for those looking for a long-lasting and visually stunning flooring solution.